Right on the Main River, surrounded by vineyards, lies the small village of Homburg. From the road running along the river, I take a short turn and see a large old building on the right hand. This is the right address. The Homburg paper mill, where Johannes Follmer is waiting for me.
Die Papiermühle in Homburg am Main besteht hier seit 1807. Die Papiermühle hat eben diesen Standort gewählt, weil unmittelbar in der Nähe sauberes Betriebswasser aus einer Quelle entspringt. Das markante dreistöckige Pagodendach ist eigentlich auch für die Trocknung der Papiere notwendig. Johann Follmer hat diese Mühle 1853 gekauft. Mein Urgroßvater hat diese dann an seinem Sohn weitergegeben. Und so bin ich heute in 5. Generation der jüngste Spross, der wieder Büttenpapier handwerklich hier in Homburg herstellt.
Spreading the cotton fibers and bringing this mixture onto the frames is the first step to paper. The frames ensure that the individual sheets are always the same size. In the press, the excess water is pressed out and the sheets are then dried. The old machines, which are still in working order, give a vivid impression of industrialization 1.0. Home office is not really new. After all, the papermakers lived right next to their workshop. It's worth a drop by this museum just to take a look back at how things were long before computer screens.